Hey there everyone, and welcome back again to the Serum Carpenter tutorials. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can integrate a Zoho Creator application into your Slack app, basically into a channel. So what we're going to expect creating the workflow here is whenever a record is created into your Zoho Creator application, it will then sends a message into your channel. So let's begin by creating your Slack application. So to create, we will go to the api.slack.com. So in here we're going to create the app. So I have already created one, but I will show you how to create from scratch. So we'll be creating application in Slack from scratch. Let's name it Zoho Creator, and then select a workspace. So we have workspace here, and we create this app, and we're going to the incoming webhooks. So we will generate a webhook where the deluge script will send message coming from the creator. So click add new webhook, and you will search the channel where the message will be sent off, and let's choose the Zoho Creator, and you can install then the Zoho Creator. So in my case we have already created one, so let's begin creating the trigger workflow in the Zoho Creator app. And so let's go to the Zoho Creator application. So in here we have this daily inventory form. So what we're going to do is whenever a record is created in this form, it will notify the Slack application which channel we have chosen to send to the message. So to begin creating the workflow, just click the edit this application and select workflow, create a new workflow. So let's choose the form, the daily inventory. So we will run the record whenever a record is being created, and when a successful form submission from that form. Let's name notify Slack when new record is created. That's it. So let's create a workflow, add an action, and select the delete script. So we will set the Slack webhook URL. So Slack webhook URL equals. So to get or to fetch the Slack webhook URL, we're going back to the Slack API and find your application and navigate to incoming webhooks and copy the webhook URL and paste it in this variable Slack webhook URL. So that's it. And the next thing we're going to do is to construct the message payload. So message payload is equals to text is equals to new record in daily inventory is created. And let's add the So we're going to add here the product name. So let's revise this one. New record in daily inventory is created for product, and let's fetch the product dot product name. Okay, and let's end it with a curly bracket and the semicolon. And in this line, we're going to create the webhook response. So response is equals to post URL so we're going to copy this Slack webhook URL and comma message payload data string. Okay, that's it, and going to test it out. Now we're in this form. Let's choose a product. So for example, today's sales has 30 sales, and let's click submit. Now we're going to check it in our Slack if the message payload was sent. Okay, let's check it out. Let's go to the Zoho Creator channel. So right here, new record in daily inventory is created for product 008 organic acai. So that's how you can create a notification from a record created in Zoho Creator that will be pushed in this channel in Slacks. If you are always using Slack as your daily basis for your work, this is very beneficial and essential for you. And thank you for watching, and please follow our channel and hang on for another tutorial series. Thank you for watching.